Hello again. Welcome back to another video about where I teach you how to do things on Musescore because sometimes you just can't find it on the web. And yeah, so we're going to get into this. And as you can tell from my screen, probably know what we're going to go for. This is a piece that I plan on making for a YouTube little YouTube series. Hopefully it gets to be played one day. I say that with all my pieces, but I mean, this one I'm making up it's going to be amazing. Hopefully if I do it right. But as you can tell, if you go to Musescore and you do like usual concert band sheet, like a set list, or not set list, you know what I mean, bunch of instruments going down, you can tell that it's just flute, oboe, and there's like so many different pages, and at a certain point you can't really see all of the things or all the notes when you zoom out on the actual page. For example, I do this way, like flute 1, flute 2, oboe, because I can not only see the notes better, but understand if the harmony is right, and it helps me better with part writing, all that kind of stuff. And why I do it is because this is what happens in actual pieces of music. So I'm gonna take it back here and show you if I can. Yeah. So on this page, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully, hold on. I put down my microphone for a bit. I'm going to show you this. On the right there, on the left, depending on what you have flute, you have piccolo, flute, oboe, was that bassoon 1 and 2? But you see they're like already part written. And on a regular piece of sheet music, it looks amazing. And this happens in a lot of pieces of music. So how do you get to do it and make it look professional on Musescore? Well, it's a really simple way. As you can see, I already did some just so I can test it out to make sure it actually works, and it does. So let's do it with the trumpet. So we have B flat trumpet 1 right here, but I want trumpet 2 and 3 on this line here just because it makes it look better. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it happens in this piece too. So what do? So I'm going to click on that, and actually I'll right click. It comes up with this. I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, so I'll probably do little screenshots, but I'll have to do staff part properties. Brings me to this piece here. As you can see, in the long instrument name you have B flat trumpet, short instrument name B flat trumpet. Alright, short. So I'm just gonna highlight that, copy it, enter, space, and now it's there. So this is going to be B flat trumpet 2 and 3. And I'm going to do the same on this one. I'll put I know that you're not going to be able to see this because that's how my screen works for some reason. So I'm just going to do it like this, B flat trumpet 2 and 3. And then I think I can move it up. I click apply. And then, okay. And boom, it's right there again. So it's super simple, but you're not going to find it really in any of the stuff up in the left-hand corner here. And I can do it with my trombone. I think, let's see, trombone, this property. There's a lot of things you can do with select staff properties, but in part properties, you can ask it to change your instrument. You can do a completely different instrument if you wanted to, but this is going to be trombone 2, and I'm going to type in trombone 3, and the same thing on this side, just so I can easily hear the parts, and it helps me a lot. So it actually tells you here, actually the staff part properties, like I said prior, you can do a lot with it. It'll tell you about the usable pitch range, and I think you can edit that too. I'm not you can edit that, which is really nice. You can transpose it up and down if you wanted to. Let's go down, see if it actually you can do it all with this. Okay, so I messed that up. So let's do, my bad, trombone, gotta type it out again. 3, 2, just gotta hit apply first, I guess. TBN 3. Alright, yeah, and that's basically it. So And as you can see, it'll be there. And then when you get to your second pages, boom, it's all going to be abbreviated like how you want it to. Super simple, quick topic. Hopefully you guys learned something from this and subscribe for more of these small YouTube how to work Musescore pieces, stuff like that. And also subscribe to the channel because we will be working on a new piece I did for YouTube, like I said in the beginning. So see you in the next one. Peace.